Let's try and graph the function f of x is equal to 3 raised to the x plus 2. So again, we'll probably need a little xy table, and what values we'd like to put in for x are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now that will change if up here the x is not by itself, but again that inside, trying to start with that in the middle of the list, what would make this 0 is 0. So in the original problem, we have 3 raised to the -2 plus 2. Well, that is 1/9 plus 2, which is 2 and 1/9. So then we go back to the original equation and put in -1. 3 to the -1 is 1/3, plus 2 more is 2 and 1/3. So in the original equation we put in 0. 3 to the 0 is 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. In the original equation we put in 1. 3 to the 1 power is 3, plus 2 more is 5. In the original equation we let x be 2, so 3 squared is 9, plus 2 more is 11. Well, that might run off our graph. Let's try and plot our points. At -2, we're +2 and just a teeny weeny bit. At -1, we're 2 1/3. At 0, we're all the way up at 3. At 1, we're all the way up at 5. And at 2, we're way off the paper. Way off the paper. So you can tell that this is a curve. It seems to be going up. It's an increasing function. And how low does this go? Does it continue to go low forever? And if not, we should put in an asymptote to indicate to everyone that this graph will go no lower than this value. Well, where is this value? This value is at +2. So we have an asymptote of y equals +2. And that's our dotted line, and it needs to be inside your graph to get full credit.